Join Kids Hat family.
Hey Tofu, look, let's jump into the pile of dry leaves. It will be fun.
Yay, let's jump.
Hey, we fooled you.
I hurt my head. This was not funny, boys.
Hey Tofu, what happened?
Tia, Bill and Jack tricked me into jumping inside a pit and I hurt myself so badly.
Oh no. Come here, Tofu. Let me have a look. Look, Tofu. Bill faced the consequences of his actions.
Haha, that must have hurt so bad. Poor Bill.
Well, he got his reward.
Thanks for cheering me up, Tia.
No problem. Do you want to hear a story?
Yes, please.
The Wolf in the Sheep's Skin. Once upon a time, in a peaceful countryside, there lived a cunning wolf who was always on the lookout for a delicious meal. He had a devious plan to catch some sheep, but the vigilant shepherds made it difficult for him to get close to the flock. However, the wolf's determination to satisfy his hunger was unwavering. Those shepherds are always watching. I need to come up with a clever plan. One night, while wandering through the fields, the wolf stumbled upon a sheepskin that had been discarded after shearing. This could be my ticket to a feast. The next day, the wolf disguised himself by wearing the sheepskin and approached the pasture where the sheep were peacefully grazing. A curious little lamb spotted the new sheep and innocently started following him.
Hello there. Are you new to our flock?
Yes, indeed. I am just a friendly sheep looking for some company.
That's wonderful. Let's play together.
The lamb was unaware of the wolf's intentions. Hence, seizing the opportunity, the wolf swiftly pounced on the unsuspecting lamb and devoured it. Delicious! The perfect disguise worked like a charm. Later that evening, as dusk settled, the wolf had another wicked idea. He decided to infiltrate the shepherd's fold, hoping to blend in with the flock and satisfy his hunger once again. It's time to choose a sheep for tonight's meal. The shepherd, unaware of the wolf's deceitful plan, entered the fold and caught the first sheep he laid his hands on, which happened to be the wolf disguised as a sheep. Oh no, I've been discovered. What? This isn't a sheep? It's a wolf in sheep's clothing. Realizing his mistake, the shepherd swiftly put an end to the wolf's wicked schemes and protected the rest of the flock from his harm. So Tofu, the moral of the story is that the evildoer often comes to harm through his own deceit.
I get it now.
That's good. This story teaches us the consequences of deceitful actions. It highlights that those who engage in deceit and harm others will often face their own downfall.
I will always be honest, kind, and considerate, Tia.
Good boy, Tofu.
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hat family. Subscribe here.